What if I told you that ChatGPT can now actually do your work for you? I'm not just talking about answering questions. I mean, it can book hotels, flights, and meetings, order groceries, create presentations, search and apply for jobs, generate leads for your business, and yes, even plan your wedding all by itself. This is not some futuristic concept. OpenAI just launched something called ChatGPT Agent, and trust me, it's a game changer. In this video, I'm going to explain what this new agent is, show you some crazy real world demos, and tell you exactly why this is the biggest upgrade ChatGPT has ever had. So now you might be thinking, okay, but now how is this possible? OpenAI has basically taken three of their earlier tools. It brings together three strengths of their breakthroughs: operators' ability to interact with websites, deep research skill in synthesizing information, and ChatGPT's intelligence and conversational fluency. But here is the crazy part: this agent actually runs on its own virtual computer inside ChatGPT, and it has access to some really smart tools. AI text browser to quickly search and read websites, a visual browser that can click buttons, fill forms, and interact with web pages just like you do, a terminal that can write and run code, create spreadsheets, or connect with tools like Google Drive, Calendar, GitHub, and more, and an image generator that helps it design visuals, especially for things like slides or reports. So yeah, it's not just chatting anymore, it's thinking, acting, and actually getting stuff done. Let me show you one of the most impressive demos OpenAI did, and honestly, it's something we all wish we had help with. The team was attending a wedding and they asked ChatGPT agent to plan everything for them. Here is the exact prompt they had typed. And it's super real world stuff. Find an outfit that matches the dress code for all the functions. For men's, suggest 5 mid-luxury options that match the venue and whether find hotels near the venue with buffer days on either side. Use booking.com to check availability and current prices, and also pick a gift, ideally under $500 or from the couple's registry. That's it, one clean prompt. An agent got to work immediately. First, it fired up its virtual computer and opened a text browser to check the wedding date, venue, and weather. Then it switched to a visual browser to find outfit options and browse hotels. You could literally watch it clicking through booking.com like a real assistant. It added items to the cart, took screenshots of what it found, and made a complete summary. And whenever it needed a clarification, like the exact wedding date, it just paused and asked. This was such a cool moment because you could see the agent doing all the digital heavy lifting while the users sat back. Imagine this not just for weddings, but business travels, events, gifting, planning team of sites. It's insanely useful. Okay, this next one is fun and shows how useful ChatGPT agent can be even from your phone. The team wanted to order some team swag for the launch, specifically anime style laptop stickers to their of their mascot. So here is what they did. They picked up their phone, attached a picture of their dog mascot, and typed this prompt. And you can see this on the screen. And guess what? The agent immediately understood the prompt, started generating artwork using the image tool, and then opened up a website sticker mule as per his preference to place the order. It added the stickers to the cart and waited for the user to approve payment, which by the way is a great safety feature. It's just amazing to see this work end to end, from image generation to placing an online order, all done by the AI on a phone. Honestly, this could save hours of work for teams, marketers, designers, or anyone who is ever had to deal with swag or merch. Okay, now this next one is not from OpenAI's team. This is from a real user on Twitter, and it's honestly mind-blowing. A guy named Alex Banks tested the ChatGPT agent and asked to do his Tesco grocery shopping, including a full roast dinner with sticky toffee pudding. And guess what? The agent Opened Tesco's website, searched for each item, carrots, potatoes, rosemary, parsnips, chicken, literally step by step. It clicked through search results, added things to the basket, and even booked a delivery slot between 12 and 1 p.m. It confirmed the items, gave him a neat summary of the basket, and then paused at checkout, waiting for him to enter the credit card manually. Here's what the final cart looked like, and you can see the whole thing took just a few minutes, and the agent handled everything like a personal shopper. This is such a real everyday example of what is now possible. So, whether it's a business task or travel plan or just buying groceries, ChatGPT agent is built to do the work for you. Now, another ex-user tested ChatGPT agent by asking to create a strategy presentation using market research and templates from Box. The agent pulled content, analyzed docs, and built slides all on its own automatically. Alright, now let's talk numbers. How smart is the ChatGPT agent compared to earlier models and even humans? OpenAI tested it on a bunch of real world tasks, and here is what they found. So first one, as you can see, this humanities last exam, and as you can see, they are basically here it tests expert level questions across subjects, and you can see this accuracy and different models. So OpenAI AI O3 was around 20.3%. But if you see this ChatGPT agent with browser plus computer plus terminal, so it's 41.6%. And if ChatGPT without ChatGPT without tools, it's just 23%. So anyway, nobody is going to use ChatGPT agent without any tool. Then OpenAI 3. With Python and browsing 26%, but highest you can see ChatGPT agent. Then if you check this frontier math, you can see the ChatGPT agent almost 27%, 3 times as compared to O3. Then this data analysis and data modeling on DS Bench. So you can see ChatGPT 4o, which is the current model, 34%. But if you use ChatGPT agent, it's almost 89%, more than human in data analysis. You can see 64% for human. And if we talk about data modeling, so you can see the models and human score 65%, but ChatGPT agent 85%, much beyond the human percentage. And now this spreadsheet benchmark. You can see this model GPT-4o 18%, human is still 71%, that is highest, and ChatGPT agent 35%, but with ChatGPT agent with XLSX access 45%. So this AI agent is catching up fast with humans. These results show that ChatGPT agent is not just good at answering questions, it's actually learning how to do practical real world work better and faster than ever before. Now, with all this power, obviously the next question is it safe? The short answer is yes, and OpenAI has built in a lot of guardrails. First, the agent will always ask for your confirmation before doing anything sensitive. So, if it is about to buy something, book a ticket, log into an account, or send an email, it pauses and shows you exactly what it is doing. You can either say yes, ask it to fix something, or even take over manually and finish tasks yourself. Another cool safety feature is that the agent can ask for clarification mid-task, just like a real assistant would say. Like, hey, are you sure this is the right wedding date? Or should I go ahead and place the order? And yes, it's also interruptible, meaning you can add or change instructions halfway through and the agent will adjust its plan. OpenAI also warned about something called prompt injection attacks. This is when a bad website tries to trick the AI into doing something harmful like sharing your credit card info. To stop that, they have trained the AI agent to ignore suspicious instructions and set up live monitoring tools that can stop tasks if anything risky is detected. But of course, it's still early, so they recommend being careful. Like, do not share super sensitive data inside prompts. Use manual control when entering personal or payment details. So bottom line is, it's smart, it's cautious, and it's built for safe collaboration. But like any new technology, you need to use it with common sense. So that is ChatGPT Agent, an AI that does not just chat anymore. It searches, plans, clicks, creates, edits, and even shop for you. Starting today, it's rolling out to Pro Plus and Team users. If you are on Pro, you'll likely get it by end of the day. Plus and Team users like me should start seeing it on in the next few days. Enterprise and education access is coming in the next few weeks. Just a heads up, Pro users get 400 messages per month, while others get 40 messages and can add more through credits. Also, if you love the deep research features from the operator preview, that is still here. You can enable it via the drop down in the message bar. I'm on the plus plan, and as soon as it becomes available to me, I will test it thoroughly and bring you a fresh video showing powerful real world use cases and tips. Meanwhile, I'm also running a live training on how to build advanced AI automation and AI agents. If that interests you, check the link in the description. We are entering a new era, AI agentic era, where AI does not just help you think better, it helps you do better. Drop a comment below what is the first task you would give to ChatGPT Agent. And if this video helped you out, like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next wave of AI tool is going to blow your mind.